here too. Welcome back, welcome back. We are just got off work, so fresh back in the Hellcat. I am headed to Deep Stage Tuning here in Norman to get our baseline dyno numbers. So comment below, what are you guys thinking? Is it going to be a 650 baseline horsepower car? Is it going to be 707? Is it going to be 600? Comment below. I will have some dyno footage and get you guys some actual numbers at the end of the video. It is going to be on a Mustang dyno, so I guess numbers should be a little lower, but they're accurate though. So like I said, headed there to Deep Stage Tuning right now. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride, and so next time you guys see me, we'll be at Deep Stage Tuning. Peace. So like I said, next time you saw me, we're going to be at Deep Stage Tuning. We are here. My boy came out, wants to see these numbers as well. It is hot. Golly, it's hot. What? So, here's a couple of his cars he's got working. Nice little Chevelle, Camaro. He's over here vlogging as well. Got his Hellcat. So let's see what kind of numbers. Don't worry about my uniform right now. Don't worry about my uniform. So we're here, our Deep Stage Tuning. Get you a behind the scenes in there.
That's crazy, boy.
All right, guys, like I said, we are here, Deep Stage Tuning. We will get back to you when we get on the dyno. Get with the builder, see what kind of numbers we're talking about. See you in a second. Peace. Got a nice little Pontiac Trans Am in here.
What year is this? No, 2?
That's for sure beating your car.
No.
What year is it again?
17.
I know I've asked that several times, but I've slept since the last time, so.
So on camera, how much horsepower are we thinking on this dyno?
High 500s.
High 500?
580s.
You're not gonna put me on
On just a regular.
on this a regular, like how it is now, on an intake. That's it.
High 5s, low 600s.
Oh man, I'm going 630. But you're the man, so you're a lot smarter when it comes to that kind of stuff than I am. We're going high 500s on the guesstimate right now.
Yeah, right.
He's saying high 500. Yeah, it's the man.
What do you think?
I don't think high 5s.
He's saying high 5.
Typically, you've got the auto transmission. The autos and the Hellcats eat up about 18 to 20% of your parasitic measurement. So take 20% off of 707. 740 horse.
You made that make way too much sense. So I'm still I'm still going 6. I'm going down a little bit now. 620.
I'll say about 600.
You're gonna go
About
what you're gonna
600, huh? He's saying what, 580?
580.
580 from the man behind the car build
Yeah.
at Deep Stage Tuning.
It's an auto, right?
You said what?
It's auto, right?
That's cute.
It is auto, yes sir.
That's cute.
What? A little GoPro?
That's cute.
Wow. Wow.
I can't even feel like I got one. Mine's silver, actually.
Yeah, it's the black at least. At least I upgraded to the good stuff. Oh man. All right, guys, I'll get back to you when the car gets on the dyno. Where are my keys? Getting loaded up. guys, comment below. What do you guys think the numbers are gonna be on this Mustang dyno? You think it's gonna be that 5 high, 600s? What are we talking about? Comment below now. I will post numbers at the end of the video, so stay tuned, all right? The only mod I have to this thing is exhaust change. Got the LMI intake. Everything else is completely stock. Hopefully it's pushing more than 600 to the wheels, but the truth is about to come out. We'll see. Stay tuned. Out loud.
That was great.
571. He knows his stuff. Alrighty.
Real slow out of the head.
You know your stuff.
I think I did that for a living.
Golly.
That one might have been a little less than the first one. 520. Yep. 562, 563.
That's where we're at. 562, 563 are the baseline. Alrighty. If you guessed that below, kudos to you. I was way off, so like I said, we'll see what kind of numbers we're pushing after the build, alright? Hope you enjoyed the video. The build starts tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be done in about 4 days or so, and I'll get back to you with some different numbers. Peace. Alright guys, headed back to the house. What do you guys think? Are those numbers too low or just about right? I thought they were gonna be a lot higher. But like I said, those are only baseline numbers. So after the modifications, hopefully it's gonna be a lot higher than that. We're predicting, I don't know what we're predicting. It's all gonna be a mystery. So like I said, comment below, share the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We got, hopefully Saturday will be all complete. We're still waiting on our fuel system, so once that gets in here, we can do the full E85 and get the actual numbers of the final car build. So I'm excited. Hopefully it's not going to be a waste of money. Hopefully I'm spending some decent money on it, but like I said, it's going to be fun doing it for the channel, doing it for myself as well. I want to see how fast I can get this car. Hopefully I can get it into the 9s, 10 seconds for sure. But more mods to come. Comment below, what should I do next after this huge bolt-on build? What should be next? Should I wrap it? Should I add some more stuff to the engine? You tell me. Comment below, share the video, always subscribe, click that bell so you can get notifications on whenever I post a video. Like I said, everything, I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. Everything is gonna be actual stuff that I purchased. And like I said, in every video, if you are in the Oklahoma City area, you live here, comment below. Let's link up, let's meet up, let's do a video, let's do a review, let's do a race at Thunder Valley though. Nothing, no street racing. I don't do anything illegal. But like I said, comment below if you have any questions. See you next time. Peace.